Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a tutorial on how to connect the Skydroid G11 to the Skydroid C11. This video is mainly divided into 3 parts. First, what products will be used in this test. Second, how to connect the cables. Third, how to display the video. What products will be used in this test? The products used in this test are Skydroid G11 remote controller, Skydroid GR01 receiver, Skydroid C11 gimbal camera, Tata 5300 mAh battery. The cables used are C11 Ethernet power cable, Skydroid GR01 receiver power cable. How to connect the cables. First, connect the POW plus LAN port of the C11 to the LAN port of the Skydroid GR01 receiver. The connector on the C11 side is GH1.257 pin, while the interface on the Skydroid GR01 receiver side is GH1.254 pin. Next, power on the Skydroid GR01 receiver. The connector types of the receiver power cable are XT30 and JST 2.54 mm. Finally, power on the C11 gimbal camera. How to display the video. After both the receiver and gimbal camera are powered on, wait for a few seconds. At this point, you can see the real-time video feed from the C11 gimbal on the G11 remote controller. The G11 interface is relatively simple and mainly retains several commonly used gimbal functions, including video recording, photography, and the video streaming address. We can directly slide our finger across the screen to control the movement of the C11 gimbal. If you need to adjust the gimbal movement speed, click Settings in the upper left corner, find Gimbal Settings, and adjust the gimbal movement speed here. Next, let's demonstrate a relatively common issue. If you have just purchased a C11 and find that the gimbal keeps performing its self-check and continuously rotating when it is powered on for the first time, this does not necessarily mean that there is a problem with the gimbal. Click Settings in the upper left corner, find Gimbal, and enter Working Mode. Since we are placing the C11 on a desktop for testing, select Inverted Mode here. After completing the setting, power off the C11 and then power it on again. As you can see, the gimbal can now complete its self-check normally and will no longer keep rotating. It should be noted that the gimbal working mode needs to be selected according to the actual installation method. If the installation method does not match the working mode, the gimbal may not work properly. That's all for today's Skydroid G11 connecting to Skydroid C11 tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Skydroid product connection tutorials, operating methods and real-world testing, don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.